Hello everyone and welcome back to your own channel Technical Sahil. In today's video, we are going to install LEMP stack on our Ubuntu based server. LEMP stack means Nginx and MySQL, which is MariaDB nowadays, and PHP, a complete web server package and an alternative to Apache 2, which will do almost the same thing, but it's a complete different package. That one was Apache 2. This is Nginx. So in this video, we will install this web server and see how actually it works. First, we need to log into our server, which I already did. Now, first things first, as we usually do, we need to update the pre-installed packages which is installed on our system. And now we similarly need to upgrade the packages which we have just updated. Now we need to install the Nginx, which we can done by uh, this command. And now we need to install the MySQL server. And now we need to install the secure MySQL installation. Press Y to set up validate password, and the password type would be strong, so press 2. Remove anonymous users, press Y and enter. Disallow root login remotely, type Y and enter, type Y and enter. And reload privileges table now, type Y and press enter. It's all done. Now we simply need to install the PHP-FPM by this command. Nginx install on our server if we try to visit through the IP address. Welcome to Nginx. Now let's see how it's actually working and coming this page from. First, if we check the PHP version, we can do it by running this command PHP 8.1, and similarly if we check the MySQL version, it's 8.0. Now to allocate to the Nginx directory, we simply need to type cd/etc/nginx. Here we also find sites available and sites enabled. So let's open the sites available. And this is the default configuration file, which if we check, it's also the same directory as, same, not same, but similar as Apache 2. So let's visit this www.example.com. Yes, that's the folder HTML. Sorry. Now let's open this file in the text editor. Now let's change something to see it's reflecting or not. Control X, Y and press enter. Now if we refresh, let's remove everything inside the body. Now if we again refresh, actually it was redirecting to us to the HTTPS. So that was the only problem. We just need to remove the HTTPS and open it as HTTP, because right now it has no SSL installed. So that was the only problem, and that's what I was thinking, like I have simply made the changes to the HTML, and what could be the problem? But why this confusion? I have removed everything from the file and just type hello. So but that was the only thing. You can see I have not removed the title, so it says welcome to Nginx, the same title. That was the only problem. It was redirecting to the HTTPS and the SSL was not configured on this server. Rest all is perfectly working. And That's all for this video, and thank you so much for watching it till the end.